I want to make pancakes, but I don't have any milk, so I'm gonna make some cashew milk. Let's go. The first thing is you're gonna take 1 cup of raw, unroasted, unsalted cashews and put them in a container with a couple of cups of water and let it rest overnight. You can do this in less time if you have a high-speed blender. And this is what it will look like when they're all plumped up. They've soaked up a lot of the liquid. Now you want to drain and rinse your cashews until the water runs clear. To your blender, add the 1 cup of drained and rinsed cashews and 2 cups of water. And we're going to work this in the blender. So that step usually takes 2 to 4 minutes depending on your blender. Then we're going to add in 2 more cups of water. I'm going to add a little pinch of sea salt, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. You can use homemade, store-bought, doesn't matter. Now if you're going to use this for savory dishes, I would omit the vanilla. And I'm also going to add in, like, I don't know, a little bit of sweetener. And you can use whatever sweetener you and your family like. Honey, agave, sugar, dates, whatever. I would like to use some agave, but I don't have any. So I'm going to add a little bit of this organic maple syrup to sweeten our milk. And the last step is just to blend it a little bit more. If you're not using a high-powered blender and you didn't soak your cashews for 24 hours, you might want to run your cashew milk through one of these fine mesh strainers just to make sure there's no leftover bits of cashew in your milk. So I poured 1.5 cups of this milk in a measuring cup for my recipe, and the rest of it fit in a quart mason jar perfectly. So once you have it in your jar, just put a lid on it, put it in the fridge for, I don't know, I think it'll last for about 4 days before it starts to go bad. But this is so much cheaper than buying store-bought milk, and you can control your sweetener, your salt, your additives. If you want to make it cinnamon flavored, you can make cinnamon. Ooh, or homemade chocolate milk, strawberry milk. You can use real fruit in there. The options are endless. Let me know if you guys make it and how you like it.